Good morning, dear students. Today we will do chapter 29 and chapter 61. First, I am starting with chapter 29. Chapter 29 is Think Quick. It is related to unit, thinking and number skills. Chapter number 29, it is given on page number 41 in your GK book. So open page number 41 in your GK book. So I'm starting with the first question. If you were to spell out the numbers starting from 1, how far would you go until you would find the letter A? So if you start spelling the numbers, okay, like ONE1, TW2. So in this way, so how far we will have to go till the time we will get A? So the answer is 1000. Next is, which is the only food that doesn't spoil? So answer is honey. Next is, who will weigh more, a boy weighing 22 kg or a girl weighing 22,200 gram? So here we can say answer already I have written, but let me explain. So because the weight of boy is 22 kg, okay. So and here the weight of the girl, it is given in grams. So convert this is also in grams. Boy's weight, it is 22 kg. If we will convert it into grams, so we know that in 1 kg there is 1000 grams. Okay. So weight of the boy, it will be 22,000 grams. So if you will compare, now you can see the weight of the girl is more. So the answer will be, who will weigh more? So the answer is girl weighing 22,200 grams. Next is, what kind of triangle will be formed if the sides measure 12 centimeters, 8 centimeter and 20 centimeters? So in this case, we will not get any triangle because as per the property of the triangle, the sum of the two sides should be greater than the third side. So here we can see that 12, the sides given are 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So what I told, as per the property of the triangle, the sum of two sides, it should be more than the third one. So here we can see the sum is 20. It is not more than the third side. So we will not get any triangle in this case. Next is, a man is walking east. He makes an about turn, walks a few steps and then turns right and again turns right. In one direction, in what direction is he now facing? Okay. So let me solve it on the board. So now let me solve it. So if we talk about the answer 5, the question is, man is facing. Let me draw the directions here for you. So it indicates north, south, west and east. So the person is walking towards east. Yes, person is walking east. He makes an about turn. About turn means he will take the opposite turn. Okay. So he was going in the west. So what will be the opposite? So that means he will start moving in the opposite direction. About turn means opposite. So now he is facing which direction? West. Now the person is walking west. So he walks a few steps. Okay, he will walk few steps in this direction and then turns right. So if the person is moving in that way, so what will be the right of that person? Then if he is moving right, that means person will move in this direction. Okay, again he turns right. The person is going in this direction. So what is the right? This side. So person will turn right. Now in which direction is that man facing? Okay, so you can see this is again east direction. So what is our answer here? So the answer is east. Sixth question is, two identical buckets are filled to the brim with water. One of the buckets has a plastic ball floating in it. The plastic ball has a lower density than water. Which bucket weighs more? So we have to, so what has been given in this question? Two identical buckets means two same buckets. They are filled to the brim with water. Filled to the brim means to the upper edge of the, brim means the upper edge of the bucket here. Okay, so one of the bucket has a plastic bowl. Two identical buckets, they are filled with the water. Okay, they are filled with water up to the brim. And in case of one bucket, plastic ball is floating. Plastic ball is floating, that means, so the density of the plastic ball, it is lower than the water, that's why it is floating. So the question is, which bucket will weigh more? So here answer is, both the buckets will weigh, both the buckets will have the same weight. The reason is because as per the Archimedes principle, the ball it displaces, the plastic ball it displaces the water of the same weight. That means the weight of the displaced water is equals to the weight of the ball. So both the buckets will have same weight. Now next question is seventh question. The sum of two digits of a number is 11. If you subtract 27 from the number, the digits are reversed. What is the number? So I am doing it for you on the board. Question number 7. So I'm doing it. I'm doing the seventh question here for you. So the sum of two digits of a number is 11. So let unit digit is equals to y, and the tens digit is x. Okay, so they are saying the sum of the two digits of a number, this is x plus y, is equals to 11. Now they are saying that if you subtract 27 from the number, so what will be your number? So the number will be, because this is tens digit, so it will be 10x plus y. So the statement is saying if you subtract 27 from the number, digits are reversed. So this is our number 10x plus y. So let's subtract 27. Then what will happen? The digits will reverse. If the digits will remain, that means it will become unit digit and y will become tens digit. So what will happen? It will be 10y plus x. So now solve it. 10x plus y minus 27 is equals to 10y plus x. So if I will bring x here, it will be 9x. If I will bring this 10 this side, so it will be minus 9y is equals to 27 will go on that side. So if I will take the 9 common, so what will come? If I will take 9 common, so it will be x minus y is equals to 3. If you will take 9 common from this, so what we will get? We will get x minus y is equals to 3. So we have got the two equations. One already we were having this, and we have got this equation. X plus y is equals to 3. So what equation we have got? X, what it was x minus y is equals to 3. Another equation is this. So let's solve this equation. X plus y is equals to 11. So we'll cancel like this. 2x is equals to 14. So we'll get x is equals to 14 by 2 is equals to 7. So when we will put the value of 7 here, so let's say put the value of 7 here, 7 plus y is equals to 11. So y is equals to 11 minus 7, it will be 4. So what is the value of x? X is 7 and y is equals to 4. If we will put the value here, so what answer will come? So this is 10th digit, so it will be 10 into 7, 70 plus 4. So our answer will be 74. So what will be our number? So number will be 74. Eighth question is, a certain crime is punishable if attempted but not punishable if committed. What is it? So the answer is suicide. Next is, how many square inches are there in a square foot? So answer is 144. 10th is, you walk into a room where there are already 10 people who are 20 years old, 9 who are 19 years old, 11 who are 18 and 10 who are 30. 30 means 30 years old. So how many people are there in the room? So if you will solve this, then you will get to know that. So what the statement is saying? Statement is saying that there, in solution of question number 10. So they are saying you walk into a room where there are already. So let's write down the number of the people already. There are 10 people who are 20 years old. Okay. Years I have written here the short form. Let me write the full for you. That are 20 years old. How many next? 9 people. Those who are 19 years old. Okay. And then 11 who are 18 years old. This means years old I want to write here. Next is 10. Those who are 30 years old. So now do the sum of these. So 11 plus 9, 20. 20, 30 plus 10, 40. So these are total are 40. But they are saying you walk into a room where there are already these people are there. These number of people are there. Okay. So how many people are there in the room? So 40 these plus 1. The person who has just walked into the room. So total 40 plus 1. So what will be the answer? So answer will be 41. Okay. So now here chapter 29 is complete. Now let's move on to the Chapter 61. Chapter 61 is logical reasoning. First question is in a line, and okay, let me side by side in this question, logical reasoning. What I will be doing side by side, I will be reading this. When I will be reading the statement side by side, I will be writing here. Okay. So in a line, Anita is standing to the left of Shantanu. First question. Anita is standing left to the Shantanu. Okay. Anita is to the left of Shantanu. Okay. Olivia is standing to the right of Anita, but not beside her. Not beside means but not next to her. So Olivia is on the right, but Olivia cannot come here. So she can come here. She is on the right to Anita. She is right to Anita, but not next to her. Next is if Rajesh is on the right of the Shantanu, but not beside him. That means Rajesh will not be next to him, but he is right to Shantanu. Okay, let me write here the sequence again. So Anita is here, Shantanu here, so Olivia here, and Rajesh where he will come? He is right to the Shantanu, but not next to him. So Rajesh will come here. Okay, so who is standing to the left of Rajesh? So who is there on the left of the Rajesh? So answer is Olivia. So this is our answer here. Next question, in a dictionary, the name of which planet will appear at the 7th position? You will see the order of the planets in the solar system. So the Uranus will appear at the 7th position. Third is Sagnik put his timepiece on the table in such a way that at 1:45 p.m. the minute hand points towards the north. In which direction will the hour hand point at the 11:30 p.m.? So let me draw here one clock for you. I'm just mentioning here these one 9 and 3 here. So what is the time? This is 1:45. What is the time here? 1:45 p.m. So let's say here it is 1, 2. So this is the center. So if we talk about, this is our 1:45. If we are talking about the 1:45, so it will be somewhere here. This is the hour hand, so it will be smaller, and minute hand it will be like this. Okay. So this is our hour hand. This is minute hand. So minute hand, it is pointing towards the north. It is pointing towards the north. But actually, if I draw the directions, then this is north, this is south, west, and east. So here they are asking that in according to this direction, if this is north, then in which direction will the hour hand point at 11:30 p.m.? So let me draw here 11:30. Okay, if this is 11:30, so it will be somehow like this. 11 here and 30 here. 11:30. Okay, if you will see this. So this is our original north. This is our original north. Okay, but they are saying ki north, they are considering this as north. Okay, so what is happening? If we shift north, what has been done? North has been considered here. That means north has been shifting 90 degree anti-clockwise. Okay, so then it is north. So what they are asking that in which direction the hour hand. So we have to tell about this. About this we have to tell. Okay, so as to get the actual position, what I will have to do, I will have to shift it by 90 degree clockwise. Okay, I will have to shift it 90 degree by clockwise. Then what answer we will get here? So what we will get here, this is north and east. So here what we will get, north, east. Okay, so according, if we are considering this as north, okay, so what this is indicating, this hour hand of this 11:30 timing, it is indicating north, east. I hope this is clear. Next is, in a foot race, Dipali was neither first nor last. Now let me do the next question. So the next question is, in a foot race, Next question is, in a foot race, Dipti was neither first nor last. Fourth question, Dipti, she is neither first, okay, she is neither first and she is also not last. So she is neither first, neither last. Dipti. Dipali beat Darren, Danish and Dipti. If we talk about the Dipali, so Dipali, where Dipali will come? Dipali will come here. If I am considering her at the first, because she beat Darren, Dennis and Dipti. But they are saying, but the next statement is saying that Dipali was neither first nor last. So Dipali also. Okay, if we take the name of Dipali, Dipali also neither first nor last. So she cannot come here on the first position. Okay, Darshan beat Dipali. So Darshan, if I say Darshan beat Dipali, so where Darshan will come? Darshan will come here. Darshan will come here. So who is first now? Dipali beat Darren, Dipti. Okay. So but Darshan beat Dipali. So who is first? So the answer is Darshan. Next is if January is equals to 73, if January is equals to 73, February is equals to 83, March is equals to 51, April is equals to 52, then what will be the value of May? Okay, so what is the code here? How January has been coded as 73. So the first digit, it represents the number of the letters, and the second digit, it represents the number of the vowels. So if I write about here, May. So number of letters, 3, number of vowels, 1. So how May will be coded? It will be written as 31. Pointing to a man in a photograph, Lata said, his brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. So how is Lata related to man in the photograph? So here answer will be sister. Next question is, if Friday is yesterday, okay, let's write here Friday. So what will be the Friday's yesterday? Friday's yesterday will be Thursday. Okay. So if Friday yesterday is day after tomorrow. Okay. So if this is our present day, so what will be the day after tomorrow? Thursday. So that means what will come here at the present day? Tuesday. Okay. So what will come here? Tuesday. And Monday is tomorrow's day before yesterday. If Tuesday comes as the present day, okay. So or we can say today. So what will come? Monday is the tomorrow's day before yesterday. If what we have got Tuesday, we have got Tuesday's tomorrow will be Wednesday, and what will be the Wednesday's day before yesterday will be Monday. So what is today? So answer is Tuesday. Next is if the letters of the alphabet are written in reverse order from left to right, which letter is the 11th consonant from the right? So if you will write all the alphabets in the reverse order, if you first what you have to do, just write all the alphabets in the series. Okay, and then you have to start from the reverse. You have to start in the reverse order and then count which one is the 11th consonant from the right. So answer will be N. So what you have to do? So start writing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So here we can say first cut the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now we have to check the consonant from the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So answer will be N. So here answer will be N. So here chapter 61 is complete. So this is all for today. Thank you.